Daily and night life in Jakarta. Jakarta is the capital city of Indonesia, located on the northwest coast of the island of Java. It is not only the largest city in Indonesia but also one of the largest metropolitan areas in the world. With a population of over 10 million people, it's a bustling hub of culture, business, politics, and commerce. Daily life in Jakarta is dynamic and diverse, reflecting the city's status as the capital and economic center of Indonesia. Here are some aspects of daily life in Jakarta. Traffic and transportation. Traffic congestion is a significant aspect of daily life in Jakarta. The city's roads can be heavily congested during peak hours, which has led to the development of various transportation options including buses, commuter trains, the Trans-Jakarta Bus Rapid Transit System, and ride-sharing services. Work and business. Jakarta is a hub for business and commerce. Many people in the city work in offices, government institutions, and various industries. The workweek typically runs from Monday to Friday, with weekends, Saturday and Sunday, off. Cuisine. Jakarta offers a wide variety of culinary experiences. From street food stalls to high-end restaurants, you can find Indonesian cuisine as well as international dishes. Nasi goreng, fried rice, sat, grilled skewers, and rendang, spicy meat dish, are some popular local dishes. Jakarta's culinary scene is incredibly diverse, reflecting the city's multicultural population and its status as the capital of Indonesia. You'll find a wide variety of dishes, ranging from traditional Indonesian fare to international cuisines. Here are some iconic dishes and culinary experiences you can enjoy in Jakarta. Nasi goreng. This is Indonesia's version of fried rice, often cooked with a mix of ingredients such as rice, eggs, vegetables, and meats, flavored with sweet soy sauce and spices. Sat. Skewered and grilled meat, usually chicken, beef, or lamb, served with peanut sauce and often accompanied by rice cakes and cucumber onion salad. Rendang. A rich and flavorful slow-cooked beef dish simmered in coconut milk and a mixture of lemongrass, galangal, garlic, turmeric, ginger, and chilies. Nasi padang. A sumptuous Minangkabau-style meal consisting of rice served with an array of flavorful side dishes, including curries, rendang, fried fish, and more. Bakso. Indonesian meatball soup often made with beef, chicken, or fish, served in a flavorful broth with noodles, vegetables, and condiments. Martabak. A popular street food, martabak is a savory or sweet stuffed pancake. The savory version usually contains minced meat and vegetables, while the sweet version is filled with chocolate, cheese, or nuts. Gado-gado. A vegetarian dish featuring a mix of blanched vegetables, tofu, and tempeh, served with peanut sauce. Soto Betawi. A hearty and flavorful beef soup with a coconut milk base, served with rice, potatoes, and various herbs and spices. Kurek teller. A traditional Betawi dish, kurek teller is a crispy omelette made from glutinous rice, dried shrimp, and coconut, topped with fried shallots. Seafood. Jakarta's coastal location means you can indulge in fresh seafood dishes like grilled fish, prawns, crabs, and more. Indonesian sweets. Don't miss out on traditional Indonesian sweets like klepan, rice cake filled with palm sugar, kue lapis, layered cake, and es campur, mixed shaved ice dessert. Coffee and traditional drinks. Jakarta has a vibrant coffee culture, with a growing number of specialty coffee shops. Also, try traditional Indonesian drinks like es teh manis, sweet iced tea, and es jeruk, sweet orange juice. Exploring the street food stalls, traditional markets, and local eateries is a great way to experience Jakarta's culinary diversity. Additionally, upscale dining establishments offer international cuisines and fine dining experiences. Just keep in mind that flavors and dishes can vary by region and cultural influences. Shopping. Jakarta is known for its numerous shopping malls and markets. People often visit malls not only for shopping but also for entertainment, dining, and socializing. Traditional markets like Tanah Abang and Pasar Baru are also popular for clothing and textiles. Shopping in Jakarta is a diverse and vibrant experience, offering a wide range of options from high-end luxury brands to traditional markets. Here are some of the popular shopping destinations in Jakarta. Shopping malls. Jakarta is known for its numerous modern shopping malls, many of which offer a mix of shopping, dining, entertainment, and recreational activities. Some of the well-known shopping malls include Grand Indonesia, one of the largest malls in Southeast Asia. Grand Indonesia offers a mix of international and local brands, as well as entertainment options and dining outlets. Plaza Indonesia, another upscale mall with a focus on luxury brands, fashion, and lifestyle products. Pacific Place, known for its high-end designer boutiques, Pacific Place is located in the SCBD area and offers luxury shopping and dining. Senayan City, a lifestyle and entertainment complex featuring a range of international and local brands, along with a cinema and other entertainment options. Pondok Indah Mall, comprising two malls, PIM 1 and PIM 2. This complex is popular for fashion, electronics, and dining. Central Park Mall, a large shopping mall with a mix of brands, a rooftop garden, and a direct connection to the Neo Soho shopping mall. Traditional markets. For a more authentic shopping experience, Jakarta has traditional markets where you can find a variety of goods, including clothing, textiles, handicrafts, and more. Some popular markets include Tanah Abang, one of the largest textile markets in Southeast Asia. Tanah Abang offers a vast selection of fabrics, clothing, and accessories at affordable prices. Pasar Baru. This market is known for its variety of textiles, including traditional Indonesian fabrics like batik and songket, as well as clothing and accessories. Mangga Dua, a shopping complex known for its electronics, gadgets, and fashion items at bargain prices. Street markets. Jakarta also has various street markets and pop-up bazaars that offer unique and local products. These markets often cater to specific themes like art, food, vintage items, and more. Luxury boutiques and designer stores. Upscale neighborhoods like SCBD and Senayan are home to luxury boutiques and designer stores offering high-end fashion, accessories, and lifestyle products. Souvenir shops. If you're looking for souvenirs and traditional Indonesian handicrafts, many malls and cultural centers have dedicated souvenir shops. When shopping in Jakarta, it's important to practice your bargaining skills, especially in traditional markets. Keep in mind that some malls and markets may have specific operating hours, so it's a good idea to check in advance. Additionally, please note that the shopping landscape in Jakarta may have evolved since my last knowledge update in September 2021, so I recommend checking current sources for the latest information. Cultural activities. Jakarta has a vibrant cultural scene with art galleries, theaters, museums, and cultural events. Visitors and locals alike can enjoy traditional and contemporary performances, art exhibitions, and more. Jakarta offers a rich array of cultural activities that allow residents and visitors to explore the city's diverse heritage, arts, and traditions. Here are some cultural activities you can enjoy in Jakarta. Museums and galleries. 1. National Museum. Museum Nasional. This museum showcases Indonesia's cultural heritage, including art, artifacts, and historical objects from various regions of the country. 2. National Gallery of Indonesia, Galeri Nasional Indonesia. It features a diverse collection of modern and contemporary Indonesian art, including paintings, sculptures, and installations. 3. Wayang Museum. Dedicated to traditional Indonesian puppetry, the museum displays a collection of wayang kulit, shadow puppets, and wayang golek, wooden puppets. 4. Fine Arts and Craft Museum. Museum Seni Rupa dan Keramik. This museum focuses on Indonesian visual arts and ceramics, offering insights into the country's creative traditions. Performing arts. 1. Istiqlal Mosque. Attend Friday prayers or other events at Southeast Asia's largest mosque, known for its impressive architecture and cultural significance. 2. Traditional dance performances. Various cultural centers and theaters host traditional dance performances, showcasing the rich dance heritage of Indonesia, including Balinese, Javanese, and other regional dances. 3. Music concerts and events. Jakarta has venues that host live music performances featuring traditional Indonesian music, as well as contemporary and international music genres. Culinary experiences. 1. Cooking classes. Participate in cooking classes to learn how to prepare traditional Indonesian dishes, such as rendang, sat, and nasi goreng. 2. Culinary tours. Join guided tours that take you through local markets, street food stalls, and traditional eateries to sample authentic Indonesian flavors. Cultural workshops. 1. Batik workshops. Discover the art of batik, a traditional Indonesian textile technique, by participating in workshops where you can create your own batik designs. 2. Traditional crafts. Engage in workshops to learn traditional crafts like weaving, wood carving, and pottery, often offered by cultural centers and artisan communities. Cultural festivals and events. 1. Jakarta International Film Festival, GF Fest, an annual film festival that showcases local and international films, often including workshops and discussions. 2. Jakarta Arts Festival, Festival Seni Jakarta, a month-long event celebrating various forms of art, including music, dance, theater, and visual arts. Historical sites and landmarks. 1. Kota Tua, Jakarta Old Town. Explore the historical district of Jakarta with well-preserved colonial-era buildings, museums, and cultural sites. 2. Sunda Kelapa Harbor. Visit the historic port where traditional Indonesian wooden sailing ships, Finisi, are still in use, providing a glimpse into the city's maritime past. These cultural activities offer a deep and immersive understanding of Jakarta's rich history, traditions, and artistic expressions. Keep in mind that event schedules, locations, and offerings may change, so it's advisable to check with local sources or event organizers for the most up-to-date information. Nightlife in Jakarta. Jakarta's nightlife is lively and offers a range of entertainment options for residents and visitors alike. Here are some highlights of the nightlife scene. Restaurants and bars. The city has a plethora of restaurants, bars, and cafes that cater to various tastes. You can find everything from traditional Indonesian food to international cuisine. Kemang and SCBD, Sudirman Central Business District, are popular areas for dining and nightlife. Nightclubs and live music. Jakarta boasts a vibrant club scene with nightclubs featuring live music, DJs, and dancing. Clubs like Dragonfly, Genja, and Immigrant are well known for their energetic nightlife experiences. Rooftop bars. Rooftop bars offer stunning views of the city skyline. These upscale venues are popular for enjoying drinks and socializing in a stylish environment. Karaoke. Karaoke is a beloved nightlife activity in Jakarta. You'll find many karaoke lounges where groups of friends gather to sing and have fun. Cultural performances. Some venues host cultural performances in the evenings, showcasing traditional music, dance, and theatrical performances. It's important to note that the nightlife scene and daily life activities in Jakarta can vary depending on individual preferences, cultural events, and current trends. Additionally, due to the evolving nature of cities, there may have been developments or changes beyond my last update in September 2021. Always consider checking more recent sources for the latest information about Jakarta's daily life and nightlife. Jakarta serves as the economic, political, and cultural center of Indonesia. It's known for its diverse population, with people from various ethnicities, cultures, and religions residing in the city. The city's history dates back to the 4th century when it was known as Sunda Kelapa. Over time, it evolved and expanded, eventually becoming the colonial capital of the Dutch East Indies. The city has a mix of modern skyscrapers, historical buildings, and traditional markets. However, it also faces challenges such as traffic congestion, overpopulation, and flooding due to its low-lying coastal location and poor drainage infrastructure. Important landmarks and attractions in Jakarta include the National Monument, Monas, the Istiqlal Mosque, Jakarta Old Town, Kota Tua, Taman Mini Indonesia Indah, a cultural and recreational park, and various shopping malls. Thanks for watching.